Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll teach you how to make your own chatbot in Python. First, let's import. No. First, let's make this is part 1 of the video. Today I'll teach you how to make the code that lets you write text and the AI will respond. First, we'll do greetings. Greetings are equal to, I'll do these boxes, and they're called lists. You could put lots of information in one line. Here, I'll put hello. Oh wait. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. And hello and hi. Next, we'll do goodbyes. Goodbyes are equal to same thing, and we'll say goodbye or bye or bye. That's it. Now we'll make a new variable while true prompt is equal input you, and if prompt is one of greetings, then print chatbot. Oh, I forgot string chatbot. Hello. How can I assist you today? Okay. Next, if prompt in goodbyes, then print chatbot. That's it for today. Let me know if there is, let me know if there is any more questions. Now, one more thing. We're going to make this. Okay, if prompt is equal to say what I say, then print chatbot and space. I'm going to copy this. Okay. Okay. I am ready. Prompt is equal to input you print no. Okay, first I'll add the nef string so I could connect variables, and then a cool hack, prompt. Now that's it. Let's run the project and see how will it look. You gonna say hello. Hello, how can I assist you today? I'll say what I say. Okay, I'm ready. Boom. Oh, kaboom. Wait. Kaboom. Now? What? Oh, let's check. Yeah, I wanna kill it. Anyways, it says prompt. You know what? Let me make a new one. Bomb. And say bomb here. Bomb. Okay, let's run. Say what I say. Wait, I think I understand. Anyways, let's resave. Control S and F5. Here it is. Say what I say. Okay, I'm ready. Kaboom. And there it is. It said it. So let's say bye. Wait. Bye. Let's check. I don't understand. There's no problem. Let's try again. Okay, I think I misspelled it. Bye. What? What happened? It's supposed to say back, buy back, but you know what? Let's give it one more try. Run. Good. Bye. Fine. Tell me what's the problem in the comment right here. Okay. I hope you have a nice day. And get ready for episode 2. Because we're gonna make this chatbot do much better things. Okay guys, I hope you have a nice day. And squat all guys!